Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to stage 54 of building the Ecto-1, the Ghostbusters car from the film Ghostbusters. In this stage, I will be assembling the BGM340 guidance system and fit it to the control panel and the cargo floor area. This is apparently the BGM340. I don't know what it is. It's a guidance system of some description. We're fitting these to that. They're both the same on this one, so they need to drop in that way round, a bit in the sides, nice and easy. Then the small panel there goes on that way round, like that, not like that, the other way up, like that, with AP screws. That looks like these. Let's get 4 of those out. 1, 2, 3. 4 of those out. Get that popped together in no time at all. Nice and easy. I do like building the individual things, but I do like it better when they all come together, which is going to happen at the end of this issue, when we're going to use the bit that we built last time over here, the oscilloscope and control panel. We're going to be fitting this or that to this, and then this to the floor, I think is the plan. We get the interior coming along quite nicely. So there we have that, done like that. This is then that way up, and we need to fit some of these. We've got 5 of these little buttons. Now, I'm not too worried about how these are coming off the sprue. Actually, I will cut them off just because it's easy. I thought they were going to snap off quite easily, but they're not. So we'll just cut all of these off of the sprue. 3, 4, and 5. While I'm here, cut these 2 off as well. Going to need them in a minute. We'll get the cutting all done at once. Right, so these are going into these 5 holes, funnily enough. They're just pushing in. Nice and easy. It says not being able to do them because they're a bit small. Might use tweezers for this actually. Open from there. Then pushing them in is a little bit easier. It says not being able to hold them. 1. 1. Not sure again why these couldn't have been molded onto the unit itself, because they're the same color. Well, no, maybe they're slightly shinier. That's that. Then these 2 need to go on in a slightly larger, wider fitting for some reason. There we go. That's that. So far, so good. Next up, we are fitting it to here. Right, so this is going that way round. That's that way round. That's going on there like that. So that will be fitted underneath there. Like that. Definitely the wider bit, and that's going that way. So, yeah, AP screws for that. Get those on there. Okay, brackets there are going to be used in a moment. So this is how it's actually attached. And then in a moment we're going to be putting the brackets on the side, which are sort of the fake attachments. Using lots and lots of KP screws. Why so many? Not IP, KP. Right. So I actually need 6 on either side. Oh, no, and another one down there. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4 for one bracket. 1, 2, 3, 4 for another bracket. 1, 2, 3, 4 for one more bracket, and the final bracket, you guessed it, has got 4 screws holding it together. Right, so these are going on the side there. with that. And now, first of all, we've got to put this on there with the IP screws. I knew there was a thing. It's obviously got a pin there, so you know which has got to go that way round. Line it all up. Right, IP. Two of them. Just two. You can go back in there. Might need you in a minute. Right, so these are going in the big hole thing. Hold everything together. Like that. And like that. Cool. Now comes the big bits. These brackets are going in there like that, with 3 screws there and 1 down there. I won't film doing all of this because it's just repetitive nonsense. So what I shall do, I'll put one on, and you can just imagine me doing the others. All exactly the same. Or you can, if you want to be accurate, you can just rewind this bit, watch me do this one 3 more times. And then you'll be up to speed with where I am. So there we go. That's the 3 of those tightened up in there. Then there's one more screw. Go straight down in there and hold that to the floor. Right, I shall disappear and do the other 2 on that side and 1 more on there with these. And I'll come back with the floor ready to fit this onto it. Right, all of that assembled there. Now, we have got some holes at the back there. We're going to be using these 2, but not those for 6 yet. What we're doing, fitting these tubes to it. I've got a thread through underneath here, apparently. And then in and around to go down there. I'm not going to plug them in quite yet. I'm going to get the bit fastened to the floor first. If I can get that lined up just about there. We're going to use IP screws. Hold that in place. One there. And one over the other side that you can't really see because it's deep down here, but I can just about get in there. That's that. Now these tubes do seem to be quite long. I'm sure that I can reshuffle them and tidy them up as the build progresses. So these are actually, this is obviously again all going to be behind there like that. And these have got to come out and then double back round and then plug in under there. So I'll get one of these plugged in. Can. In that hole. And then the other one next to it. In that one. So they're going down there. These will be maneuvered around, no doubt, to sit wherever they need to sit. But that is the end of this month's build. I like it. It's coming together. It's getting huge. And this is just the inside. So, yeah, we need to do something with these tubes to get them to sit nicer. But that's, once I've tidied and done some weathering on those, when it's a bit more complete, then I'll be able to see one of these has come out as well. I've just noticed that. 2 of these have come out as well, but they go down there. That's easy. I'll get them plugged back in as well. So, thank you very much. I'll see you shortly for the next one or another build as the month goes by. So, thanks for watching. Stay safe. See you soon. Bye-bye for now.